The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a winter storm warning for the following counties: in Kansas, Dickinson and Geary. At 3:15 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a potent storm 20 miles north of Clay Center moving southwest. Significant snowfall, sometimes heavier to expected with a storm. Stay indoors and try not to travel. You are putting your life at risk. Blowing and drifting snow will accumulate over the warned areas from tonight until Tuesday. Some areas may get up to 50 feet of snow by the time the storm passes. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or other media broadcast for the latest storm updates. Spotters are encouraged to report snowfall to the National Weather Service in Topeka.